Thank you,
Salamat.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Continue, General Torre.
Just before I start again, sir, may I ask one resource person from KOJC, Engineer Pulito Sapanta, of what line of engineering he is? He is his degree of engineering. What kind of engineering, sir? Just a question.
Engineer sa Panta. Anong klaseng engineer ka daw?
Sa civil po.
Civil.
Opo, yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Salamat.
Okay, sir. At the outset, sir, before I make my presentation, I would like to thank this august body for giving us the chance to present our site. Considering that there's really a lot of issues that are being
How many slides? How many slides?
definitely less than what Attorney Torion had presented there.
Okay.
Maybe a quarter, sir. Maybe a quarter, not more than half of Attorney Torion's presentation. Because as I'm saying before, there are a lot of things that we want to thresh out to the public to answer all the allegations surrounding this operation. And I'm doing this with the indulgence of our Vice Chairman and Executive Officer of the NAPOLCOM, Vice Chairman.
But before you continue,
Yes, sir.
Cut you short muna, sandali lang ha. Here is the findings of the Secretariat doon sa video. Sir, sa video interview po ni General Torre, ang nasabi niya po ay Photoshop ang picture. Wala po siyang sinabi na wala silang digging na ginawa sa KOJC. Pero si Miss Badoy po, ininterpret niya yon as if ang sinabi ni General Torre ay walang digging na ginagawa ang PNP. So, it's a matter of interpreting the statement of General Torre. Hindi niya sinabi direktahan na wala silang ginagawang digging. Sinabi lang niya na Photoshop. So, that's based on the findings of my secretariat.
Mr. Chair, that wasn't the one in contention. The one in contention was when I said he had a press con where he said that walang excavation, that he would Photoshop. And then he said, wala siyang sinasabing ganun, walang press con. He brushed it off.
Sinabi niya na walang press con.
Yes, that's what he said.
Did you say that, General Torre? Na walang press con ka
We can
ginawa?
again refer to the Secretariat, sir, for
Okay, we will go back to
accuracy,
that.
sir.
Please
Yes, sir.
continue. Balikan lang natin mamaya. Ha?
But before that, Your Honor, just a very important point. I have just been informed, Your Honor, for clarification to General Torre. He allegedly declared to the media that after the Senate hearing, he will resume the digging in the basement. Can we get that information from him, Your Honor? Because if that is the case, then I will move, Your Honor, that this Senate hearing would be conducted sine die, meaning this will likewise be conducted indefinitely since they are staying in the JMC KOJC premises indefinitely. Because if he is intending to conduct another digging, despite the fact that he has not even established the reasonableness and its connection with the service of a warrant of arrest, then he is perpetuating an injustice because an arrest warrant can never justify the digging. This is the first time ever in my lawyering, Your Honor, where an arrest warrant is used to convert another property into their boarding house, a police garrison, and preventing the persons there from praying in their own cathedral and from moving around freely, and worse, destroying the building which is now worth billions, Your Honor.
Okay.
Yes,
We will get his answer after the presentation. If it's okay with you.
very
Kasi
well, Your Honor.
sasabihin na naman niya na My answer to that, Your Honor, is contained in my presentation.
Very well, Your Honor.
Bigyan natin siya ng kuwan na i-present niya para wala na siyang masabi mamaya na i-present niya. Continue, General Torre.
Thank you, sir. And before again, sir, there was that contention that the compound is a religious area. They consider it as a religious area. May I ask the KOJC resource persons. So religious area, bawal manigarilyo, which they say is like that, at bawal magmura. Tama po ba? Tama po ba yung contention kanina na narinig ko? That the KOJC compound is a religious area and bawal doon magmura, bawal manigarilyo. That's what they're saying na kinukumit ng mga pulis ko, sir.
No need to ask.
Is that correct?
I heard that.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So, thank you very much again, sir. Let me start now without any much further ado, and also I would like to acknowledge our boss in the DILG, Yusek Lord Villanueva, sir. Next slide, please. The authority and legal basis of our operation are the alias warrants of arrest against Apollo Kibuloy and 5 others. So, I think this is... There's no other question regarding the legality of these warrants, the alias warrants. But on the next slide, I'll show you one warrant where only Apollo Kibuloy is impleaded. Next slide, please. Criminal case number RZQN from branch 106 of Quezon City. Violation of 7610, particularly Section 5B. To read, those who commit the act of sexual intercourse or lascivious conduct with a child exploited in prostitution or subject to other sexual abuse. Warrant of arrest against Apollo Kibuloy and Apollo Kibuloy only. Dated August 8, 2024. Signed by Judge Noel Parel, Presiding Judge 106 Quezon City RTC. That is the person that we're looking for, sir. Next slide, please. The area of operation is the KOJC compound, which covers an area of approximately 30 hectares, 22 hectares inside, including the subdivision on the upper right-hand corner, which is another 5 hectares, because we have suspected that there may be a safe house of the subject of the target there. I would like to acknowledge also the presentation of Attorney Torion for giving us the confirmation on the methodical execution of these operations. And also, Mr. Jay Sonsa, the resource person from another resource person from the KOJC, who simply said that they are live even before we arrive. Next slide, please. So the mission is very simple: arrest fugitives Apollo Kibuloy and 4 others, because one of them is already in custody, now imprisoned in Pasig Regional Trial Court. Next slide, please. The concept is again as simple: enter, arrest, and leave. Simple as may sound, we, of course, expected the challenges. Next slide, please. Drawing lessons from the July 10 operations of Pro 11, we prepared CDM contingents, tactical security teams, arresting personnel, investigator searching personnel with WCPD ASCOR and ancillary services team. So you noticed we even prepared the portalets, because we know that this will be a long drawn battle, because in the next slides you will see why. And I'm very, very thankful with this opportunity to show this, because the Senate will, we do hope that the Senate will see what interventions can be done to help the police or help bring the fugitives to justice. Next slide, please. Day 1. I wonder, actually, in Attorney Torion's presentation, he uses pictures when SMNI was always live with videos, because I do believe if a picture paints 1,000 words, a video will be 1,000,000 more in words. So let's click and see the videos in the next slides. Hintay-hintay mo na lang ang video. Medyo mabagal sir ang internet talaga eh. If I may suggest, sir, the lag is being caused by the Zoom application. If we can directly connect to the LED board, it will be a bit faster. If we don't go through Zoom.
Don't know, sino bang technical...
Kung wala namang naka-Zoom, sir, na members, if we can request.
Bakit nakakanta naman si Loko-Loko, oh. Dapat murahin tong mga to. Ang putang ina nyo! Hustisya! 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 Ore, wag ka na mag-isip. Wala ka na mag-isip.
Mr. Chair, one question.
Hoy, mga puki ng ina nyo, kamusta naman? Nakakanta naman si Loko-Loko, oh. Dapat murahin tong mga to. Ang putang ina nyo! Hustisya! 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 Ore, wag ka na mag-isip. Wala ka na mag-isip. Oh? Papatay natin si Tore! Wag! Papatay natin si Tore! Wag!
That video clearly shows the hindrances that we face every single day. We use high-intensity lasers sa ating cover with the board. One of our casualties on the first day. That's the first 3 days, sir. Napaka-iksi po lang, sir. And that's the reason why the search really was very long drawn and difficult, as you see. Okay. In this slide, sir, I'll show you that they applied for a permit inside KOGC compound. They applied in fairness to them. It was also approved that they are permitted to hold a prayer rally inside a compound. And immediately, they violated all the terms. Number one, they blocked the entire highway. Please click. Can you do that? Yeah. They blocked the airport access road. Next slide. Sige lang, ituloy mo na, Iho. Huwag mo na balik-balikan. They burned the tires, as we saw before. That's on the second day only. Nagsisimula pa lang ang search operation, sir. Yan na ang kanilang sinasabi. Paano kami makakatapos yan? They blocked the highway at kitang-kita dyan, sir, dalawa ang fire truck dyan. Hindi pwede sabihin na Torion na wala ang fire truck dyan. Dalawa ang fire truck dyan, dalawa lang ang kinumpiska namin. That's a lie. Will you allow, sir, kung wala ng Zoom, diretso na lang tayo sa LED pole? HDMI connection?
Sige, you do everything.
Sa concept, sa...
Palabas niyo.
Can you do the HDMI connection, diretso?
Sinong kwan dyan?
Kanina may ginagamit kayo sa LED pole, sa LED wall, eh. HDMI lang naman yan.
Our apologies to our invited resource persons and guests. Kitang-kita naman ang fire extinguisher there, oh. That's the fire extinguisher coming from them, directed at us. Sige, and slide please. Kitang-kita naman yan. It's really no... Next slide. Wala na yan, wala na yan. Next slide na. Back and next slide. In the lightning rally, they are already wearing newly printed shirts. They're demanding justice for Apollo Kibuloy, yet they don't want him to surrender to the corpse. Next slide, please. Escape lang, Iho, escape. Ang pinipindot yan, escape. These are the pictures of our injured personnel during the dispersal. And at this juncture, I'm really questioning the behavior of KOJC people. Are they really the peace-loving people and law-abiding Filipinos that they claim to be? This is just the second day of the implementation of the warrant.
This is not long drawn. This is by no means during this time. Wala pa kami nagagawa sa tindi ng resistance. And is this the red carpet that Pastor Carlo Katiil had promised us? If everything that we do is legal, that up to this point had been upheld even by the Court of Appeals to be legal. Next slide, please. Next slide. Now let's go to the use of the tech equipment in locating possible hiding places. We have the life and motion detector from the BFP, which I stated earlier. 2 units from MMDA and borescope, ground penetrating radar. We have 3 various models from private agencies and 1 from the DNR. Next slide, please.
Dali. For the record, who are these private agencies na hiniraman ninyo? 3 various models from private agencies. Can you cite to this committee for the record?
Can I give it at the executive session, sir? Because one person is a former member of is a member of a church where Mr. Kibuloy is once a member also. Before he put up the KOJC. I think that person will respect this.
So, executive session, you're going to...
These people are well-meaning private individuals who allow us to use their equipment.
Okay, after this,
Yes, sir.
we have to have a executive session.
Yes, sir.
Bigyan mo sa amin.
William,
Thank you.
sir. Thank you. Next slide, please. So let's play these are the snippets. These are the snippets. These are all witnessed by their personnel. KOGC lawyers and witnesses witnessed us every step of the way. The indicators show that there may be life beneath the ground, 4, 5, 6 meters below ground. And really, we cannot ignore those indicators because if we do ignore them, what will be the use of the procurement of this equipment? This equipment has been used before in many circumstances. Therefore, we have to believe them unless there are contrary evidence that will show otherwise.
But why after 13 days?
Yes, sir.
Hindi pa yun nakita.
Makita niyo, sir, in the next... maiksi lang yan, sir, eh.
Sige, sige.
Next slide, please. Next slide. Next slide. Lahat yan, sir, ay may mga... At 8:30 a.m., Colonel Pata himself had reported music or sound detected at the back of the stage of the cathedral. So it is behind the exhaust of the aircon and located particularly in the room in the said cathedral. Next slide. Several retests were done. Retests. And we have another confirmatory evidence that I can give in an executive session again, sir. This will need an executive session. Although I have it with me here inside the envelope, you can read if you want to. I can give it to you, sir, in the executive session, or I can give it to you now, sir, so that you can read also.
Komisek, pwede po ba?
That's why we have an executive session, sir.
Your Honor, please, if I may comment, Your Honor. Just,
Stop ka muna.
yes, Your Honor. It would appear, Your Honor, that General Torre would seem to legalize his the violations, wanton violations of constitutional rights of my clients, Your Honor, because of his alleged, sensitive information of the presence of these bunkers. It is our humble opinion, Your Honor, that if this is so, this should be subjected to judicial scrutiny. He should be able to present proof before a judge, because even in anti-terrorism law, Your Honor.
In short, they need a search warrant.
Yes, Your Honor.
They need a search warrant.
He does
They
not
have to
have
secure a search warrant.
Yes, Your Honor. And because all of these would involve very intrusive searches and possible destruction of properties. Can we justify that just because he has an arrest warrant? He is creating a precedent here where severe violations of human rights of third persons would be allowed simply because he has an arrest warrant. This is what he is doing now, Your Honor.
Yeah, we are in agreement as far as to that issue is concerned. But please, patapusin ko na natin.
Thank you, sir. Next slide, please. Thank you, sir. So, ground penetrating radars were also used to locate possible tunnels and bunkers where areas and movements were detected. Next slide. On day 6, 4:15, MMDA personnel continuously conducting movement and breathing scan in the basement of James School using live locator and vibraphone detected sounds, movement and breathing underground at the depth of 6 meters. These indicators were here since August 28, 2024. Thus, digging of the basement started at 5 p.m. of August 29, invoking Section 11 of Rule 113. The digging was carefully supervised by engineers to ensure that the structural integrity of the building is not compromised. The purpose of the digging is to locate the suspected tunnel or bunker where the fugitives are hiding. Much as we would like to do this with minimum footprint, we cannot do so due to the unreasonable interference of KOJC people. If unhampered, we could have brought a borehole drilling equipment, and a hole would not be more than 6 inches in diameter. Even 4, we can do it. Next slide, please.
If I may, Your Honor, before this.
At this juncture, a total of 3.4 meters deep was dug. However, new scan results discovered a retaining wall 8 meters below the down basement. And I think Engineer Zapata also will not be able to explain why there is a retaining wall 8 meters below ground up to 2 meters deep,
Your Honor.
in the on the top, except protecting a hollow portion underground.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Is the general implying that just because his alleged equipments, he is now licensed to conduct diggings into the property of another? What if the person doing that is an idiot, like him? Maybe. But I'm not saying that he is, Your Honor. But
please.
But if a contrary evidence should likewise allow us to we should be given the chance to countervail his alleged findings, Your Honor, in a court of law.
Okay.
Because if this is the unilateral finding of his so-called expert, at the very least, we should be given the chance to prove otherwise also. But what he is doing, Your Honor, he is believing hook, line, and sinker of the findings of his expert without even letting us know about it. And now he is proceeding to destroy the property of my clients without even me being sure whether or not his data is in fact true.
Okay,
Yes, Your Honor.
we are in agreement to that.
Sir, may I please? With all due respect to the good general, his rantings are starting to sound like a psych patient. So, ano ang protection
Please,
natin? Ano ang protection natin?
Avoid the using those terms.
as a doctor,
they're
Mr.
they're
Chair.
offensive words. We have to respect each other.
Mr. Chair, from the legal perspective, yung sinabi ni Attorney Torion.
It's okay for me to hear legal or illegal, but comments like psych patient, it's not good to hear before this.
Mr. Chair, I don't mean to insult. I respect what's happening right now. Pero as a medical doctor po, Mr. Chair, when you hear something like this, then it does sound capricious, whimsical, and dangerous.
Yes, as I have said, we are in agreement. I agree with you.
Thank you.
No need to convince me. But please, let General Torre finish his presentation.
Sir?
Please continue.
Because of this finding, sir, we found that the hole that we dug is around 2 feet off to the right. So I asked them to cover it, and we will plan again another digging 2 feet off to the left of that wall, sir. So that will be on the next steps, depending on your advice. Of course, we will be taking into consideration your advice, sir. But that's the scan's result.
The chair himself would like to advise you to do the same. Do everything legally.
Yes, sir.
Pumunta ka sa
Thank you,
korte, humingi ka ng search warrant
Thank you, sir.
para hindi kayo makriticize na ang warat o baras ginagawa na yung search warrant. Do it. May korte naman tayo. You can be granted with the search warrant kung justified yung claims ninyo before the court. Di ba?
Yes, sir. Next slide, sir.
Continue.
Possible hiding places. This is the spectrum of the possible hiding places, from the very lavish ones to the poor ones. Because Pastor Kibuloy is basking in wealth and prosperity, enjoying the fruits of his ministry, while many of his ordinary followers continue to live modest lifestyles. Some of his most and closest chosen followers, all young women, some of them minors, as the court records show, experience this lifestyle with him. The other contrast between these two groups is illustrated in the photos and videos, literally heaven and hell. And this demonstrates the spectrum of possible hiding places. Nasa basement kayo kanina, sir, nakita nyo yan. Yan po ang inabutan namin before. We'll show it in video again. That's the video of the pastoral rooms. Not more than maybe 15 young women. Hindi pinakita sa inyo kanina yan, sir. That's the house of the women. In the first floor of the Jose Maria College, off limits to many, including members, male members. Next slide, please. Directly below it, the floor of the basement. Directly below that floor is the basement where you visited this morning. This is what we saw. Those are the bedrooms. Those are the beddings of the ordinary workers. Unless they want to deny it. Next slide, please. Balikan muna dun sa on the rooftop of the basement is directly above those pastoral rooms. Next slide, please. This is the Apollo Kibuloy's hangar. We haven't searched this yet thoroughly. Please click the video. 2 planes, 2 helicopters, luxury cars. And that's just a very, very small part of the property that we're going to search. Do they expect that? Even without interference, we need time. Next slide, please. Res ipsa liquitor. The thing speaks for itself. One of the many rooms of Apollo Kibuloy with a private cinema. They didn't show it to you. There is information that that room on the center, on the second row, on the bottom, second row, that's the room of Mr. Kibuloy. We are not allowed to search it properly. How about if there's a trapdoor there leading to a basement or leading to a tunnel? So we really need to access the tunnel or the basement in some other way. They will not allow us to go there, sir.
But, napicturean ninyo, meaning napasok ninyo yan.
Yes, sir.
O so na-search ninyo.
But we were not allowed to search it properly.
Ha?
We were not allowed to search it. Makita sir mamaya kung paano nila kami sinasamahan sa search. Makikita niyo sir kung paano namin ang search na pinagawa sa amin sir na inalaw kami.
Oh, sige.
Next slide please. Day 9. We searched, that's September 2 na sir. Major Jana Rose Parcon attempted to search the College of Ministry building after receiving reports that Kibuloy was cited thereafter. However, KOJC members blocked them, called their lawyers, delayed them, just like in the many other times that we searched the property. This is actually just the third building that we are going to search thoroughly sana, sir. And this is how it goes. This is how it went. Next slide, please. During the negotiation, the lawyers did not allow the PNP personnel to go immediately. They only agreed to specific conditions. 10 women personnel, and they are to be please see video. Wala kaming sinasabi naman dyan, sir, na may drugs dyan or may kung ano man dyan, sir. But this is how it went. Hindi totoo, sir, na ang pulis ang nang-aapi dyan. Tingnan nyo naman, law enforcers ang piniprisk ng mga tao. And look at their people. All of them wear masks. Galit pa sa amin pag pinapatanggal namin ang mask. Ironically, 3 of the suspects that we are looking for are women. Ganyan ang pulis, no? Yan ang nang-aapi. Law enforcers na nang-aapi dyan sa loob ng OJC. The videos will not lie. That's why maybe the presentation of the previous presenter are all pictures. We have to endure that kind of humiliation. Kasi mag-aaway lang kami, sir, pag hindi namin ginawa yan, pag hindi namin sinunod yan. Mag-aaway lang, sir. Kukuyugin lang kami ng mga tao dyan. So, okay, let's do our job. Police ang pinifrisk before they being allowed to enter. Next slide, please. During the implementation, sir, ganito rin naman ang aming nakikita, sir. Next slide. Click the video, please. Sige, 1 minute na video lang yan, sir. That's how we conduct the search. With them swarming us, leading us, prohibiting us from opening allegedly secret, confidential rooms or restricted rooms. Hindi naman lahat, sir, na pinabubuksan nila eh. Wala talaga, sir. It's all, kung tutuusin, sir, those are all obstruction of justice. Pwede namin, sir, hulihin lahat yan. We have basis. However, just in the interest of just peaceful. Ganyan, sir.
Obstruction of justice. If you are being prevented from arresting Pastor Kibuloy, ba't prevented? Pinapasok naman kayo eh.
Sige, sir. Next slide, sir.
And besides, Your Honor, if I may, there is already the unlimited search. That
Sir.
is already the 9th day, Your Honor.
Sir.
They have already been conducting searches in that area, Your Honor. I don't know why they like that area very much, the Bible school. And they have been, since day one,
Okay,
Your Honor,
okay,
that has been
okay.
searched already.
Okay.
Many times.
Bakit
Can we continue?
paborito niyo po? Bakit paborito niyo yung Bible?
That's only the third.
Balik-balik.
Makikita siya sa sunod, sir. May sketch na kaming ginawa, sir. Next slide, please.
Continue.
Dito muna tayo, sir, sa search on how cooperative they are. Next slide, please. Click the video, please. Sound, please. Naka-X. 100% mo. Yan. Very cooperative, sir, di ba? They are delaying us. That's a very big building. They are delaying us from proceeding to another section. They stop us in the middle of the search. So that, for whatever reason, they are delaying us. We have to ask them if we can open doors. We have to ask them if we can proceed through these pathways. And we only have 10 police women. Why? Next slide. May mga threats pa dyan, sir. Maririnig natin dyan. Pati mga anak namin, damay. Sige lang, next slide na. Next slide. In the rest of, para mabilis tayo.
But if I were you, if your purpose there in going inside is to arrest Pastor Kibuloy,
Yes, sir.
you allow only 10 women without firearms,
Yes, sir.
pinrest pa ng mga taga-QGC.
Yes, sir.
Paano ngayon kung may armas si Pastor doon sa loob at nirat-rat yung mga pulis mo?
That's one of the,
Payag ka na mamatay yung mga 10 mong pulis.
that's one of the risks that we have to take, sir. Just,
Oh.
one of the
For
risks that we
me,
have to take.
for me, if I'm the commander, that's a very wrong decision.
I take responsibility
Para
for
sa
that.
atin, very wrong decision yan kung mag-aresto ka. Babae pa ginagamit mo, walang armas. 10 lang, tapos, what? Hindi mo na-imagine? Just in case, ha? Just in case lang. Granting na hindi si Pastor Kibuloy hinahanap na ninyo. Kung ang hinahanap nyo doon, naghintay sa loob, may dalang armas, nirat-rat yung mga pulis mo, patay yung 10.
We'll consider the SWAT next time, sir.
That's a very wrong decision.
I will consider the SWAT
Okay.
next time. Yes, sir. I take responsibility for that, sir.
Please continue.
Click on the video, please. Dito, sir, marinig natin sa audio, may mga bata dyan, dahan-dahan lang kayo. At 6 o'clock, they say that the children are the girls are sleeping. Next slide, please. Hindi na kami nagpag-argue, sir. Bawal makumuha ng pictures, kaya audio na lang ginagamit natin. Next slide, please. PNP or personnel also observed some minors in the living room watching nursery rhyme videos. When asked about the parents of these minors, the KOGC were mum, and some of the loose talks in the escorts had said that they were orphans under the care of the Children's Joy Foundation. Let me segue to the next slide. Let me segue to the Children's Joy Foundation. In 2018, the Children's Joy Foundation was accused by Wise Institute for Human Services of impersonating them and fraudulently engaging in fundraising activities in the United States. The CJF was also cited by the FBI when they raided the KOGC headquarters in Van Nuys, Los Angeles, California in January 29, 2020. Yan ang Children's Joy Foundation. Next slide, please. Because we are not given by the Davao building official of the plans of the that we asked for, our architects in the PNP Engineering Service made a sketch based on the videos and the descriptions given to us. This is the ground floor plan of the college, of the ministry building. And the interesting part is the second floor, where the room of Apollo Kibuloy is situated. Next slide. The room of Apollo's bedroom is in the second floor, and you see the doors passing through both sides and always beside a woman's room, also with various entrances and exits. Can you click Apollo's bedroom? If you look at Apollo's bedroom, it's new. The bed cover is newly placed, because if that's an old bed cover, the creases would have straightened out already. Bago lang yan, sir, kasi kung matagal yan, sir, wala na yung lukot na yan. Because of pag bumababa yan eh. And then yung mga upuan yan, we are not allowed to search underneath, we are not allowed to search within. That's the bedroom of Apollo Kibuloy. Back, please. And I would like to stress, woman's room. Can you please click on that? That cannot be denied. Shoes, designer bags, luxury items, name it. In a woman's room, we cannot find, we cannot name, we don't know. But definitely not Apollo Kibuloy's child. Next slide. So again, back muna. Back sa ating sketch. Again, if we look at the sketch, tagos-tagusan ng mga pintuan, sir. Hindi pwedeng 10 lang ang pwede dyan. Kasi pag 10 lang ang pwede dyan at may kasama yung tao na magtatago, hindi mo talaga makikita dahil i-delay lang, sir. I-delay lang, lipat sa kabila. I-delay lang, lipat sa kabila. Two stories yan. Dalawa ang hagdanan sa magkabilaan, may hagdanan sa gitna. Paano mo makikita yan kung may nakikialam, nakakampi na nagtatago at 10 lang kayo, 5 on each wing. Hindi pwede talaga, sir. Next slide. May mga walk-in closet pa, sir. And then, the next day, we repeated the search. Yan ang sabi nila na binabalikan namin because we came together with the DSWD to look for the children kung hindi man lang at mas search ng mas maayos. Again, they were freezed, they were delayed. Next slide. And we thought that they will be giving us free access and merong mga rooms na hindi pwedeng mabuksan dahil sabi nila restricted room daw on the second floor. But eventually, after minutes of delay, pinabuksan din nila, isang pulis lang ang pumasok. Ano tinatago nila kung wala naman si Apollo Kibuloy dyan? Next slide, please. Click on the video, please. Ganun uli, sir. May mga babae uli na mga nakamaskara. Pero 3 sa kanila ang hinahanap namin, 3 of the accused are women. Na hindi namin matingnan ang mga mukha ng mga yan.
Stop.
Next slide.
Pwede malaman sa inyo, bakit nakamask yung mga babae doon? Di ba tayo galit na galit tayo sa mga pulis na nakamask because they are very intimidating? Bakit yung mga babae doon sa loob nakamask?
Sir, nagmamas talaga kami doon sa loob. Since nung nag-siege. Kasi, bumabaho. Bumabaho at saka very polluted yung area. But if they could have requested us to take up our mask, we would. Pero talagang we are just protecting ourselves from this pollution. Polluted yung area. Kasi lahat ng sundalo, lahat ng doon, nagmamask kami.
Therefore, mali rin ako nung pinagalitan ko yung mga pulis sa highway. Bakit kayo nakamask? Ang rason nila, polluted sir, dahil maraming usok dito, highway ito.
Sir,
Daming sasakyan. So mali yung aking assumption na ang purpose nila doon is para hindi sila makilala at para intimidate yung dating nila. Kapag ganun. Sorry ha.
Okay lang,
I'm just
sir.
trying to
Okay
be,
lang po.
I'm just trying to
Sir,
be
ganito.
rational here.
Sir,
I'm just trying to be fair here. So,
Yes.
kaya kita tinanong bakit
Opo.
nakamas sila doon sa loob.
Sir, us, KOJC, missionaries, women at that, and with all these policemen surrounding us, nagpipicture, nagbi-video, parang nakahubad kang maglakad. Kasi ganun sila. Tingnan mo, may mga video kami, gumaganon sila, gidudulkit ilahang mga camera sa mga nawong. Sir, as missionaries, may kultura po kami. Hindi po nag-expose ng aming mga katawan indecently. And here comes lahat ng mga pulis nakaaligid. Kaya to protect ourselves also, aside sa, ako mismo sir, mabaho talaga pag lumalabas. Sorry ha, mabaho na talaga ang compound, umaalingasaw dahil 3 araw, walay mga laba, walay mga ligo. So magmask jud ko kay pagtigid sir kabaho. At the same time, dili yun tamo, yun po na anad, hindi kami nasanay ma-expose sa mga tao na gano'n.
Pero ako ha, sorry to say, yung 10 babae na kinapkapan doon kanina, mukhang malinis naman yun, mukhang mga disente mo, mukhang galing katitipan yun, bagong ligo na naka-uniforme. Hindi mo siguro mabaho yun. Mga babae rin yun very stricto rin yan sa sanitation, hygiene, yung sanitation nila. But anyway, I'm considering your explanation. Thank you. Please continue.
Thank you, sir. I would like to emphasize the last sentence. No minors were already found by the DSWD in the room where they were in the previous day. Kung nasaan ang mga bata na yan, sir, sila na lang nakakaalam. Ba't nila tinatago sa DSWD? Batang babae. Next slide, please. Other incidents and observations that we have seen so far. Negotiations, may mga nagreklamo sa amin. Isang nagreklamo is may parent na gustong makuha ang kanilang mga anak. Ang kanilang anak pala, sir. Nabalik na yun sa Leyte, nakabalik na yan. Next slide, please. Despite all the, may isang anak naman, tinawag ang kanyang nanay. At the end of the day, bumalik din ang nanay. Dahil free choice niya naman yun. Pero, yun, at least nakausap ng kanyang anak. Dahil hindi nga niya nakausap ang anak niya from North Cotabato. Next slide. Ito, sir, nakauwi na ito. Sa Leyte, nabawi nila. For so long, hinahanap nilang anak nila na yan. Next slide. There is another incident that these people, that the KOJC used minors to pakiklik ng video natin. Mahaba yan, sir. Ipakita ko naman sa inyo yung una, ang unahan lang. Yan on the first day, sir, ginamit nila sa frontline mga bata para prevent ang pulis na pumasok. Despite the fact na supposedly, sabi ni Atty. Torion, ay voluntary na inopen nila ang gate. But with reservation, sabi nila. Pero pagpasok namin, yan, mga bata ang iniharap sa amin para kami ay pigilan.
Sandali, bakit umiyak yung mga bata?
Sila ang ginagamit, sir, sila ang ginagamit na human shield ng mga KOJC. They should not been there in the first
Pero wait mo lang, sinaktan ba ninyo yung mga bata?
Wala kami sinasaktan dyan, sir. Dadaan lang kami dyan. Sila yung mga... Next slide, please. May kasunod na intervention dyan, sir. The next intervention there is called the DSWD, which again, conducted counseling to these minors, coordinated by our WCPD and supervised again by the KOJC. Walang police yun, sir. Sila lahat, all on their terms. Everything that we do, on their terms. Next slide, please.
Sandali, hold mo lang. Balik. DSWD. I-confirm mga tao nyo yan, yung naka-pula, na DSWD sa likod.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Those were the social workers from the DSWD.
Pwede malaman bakit sila nakamas.
During that time, Mr. Chair, the situation was really full of tension, and of course, the sweat and in the area. Kaya na for safety po and well-being ng mga social workers, nagmamas din po sila.
So, it validates the explanation of KOJC na mabaho daw ang area dahil madumi,
Ipaningot,
paningot, pinapawisan,
po.
at medyo hindi na maganda yung amoy.
Yes po.
I'm just trying to get the validation from you because you are not KOJC member. You are from DSWD.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So it gives, your statement gives credence to the statement of KOJC.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Oh, kasi kayo, hindi mo kayo KOJC, di ba? You are DSWD. And yet, you cover your mouth. Nagmask kayo.
Yes,
That's why I'm asking you, bakit? So, ang sagot mo is, medyo,
to protect them also because they are engaging in different people and medyo na po doon, yung iba na po yung amoy.
iba ang amoy. Sige.
Pinagpapawisan po lahat.
Thank you.
Mr. Chair,
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sandali.
may I pose a short question only to the chair? Because I'm looking at the picture, and as a former social worker of the Department of Social Welfare and Development for 5 years, I'd like to know whether the requisite of a social case study has been done prior to the counseling.
You address your question to...
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
That's my question, sir.
Ano kung nag-address...
If a social case study has been conducted by the social workers of the Kagawaran ng Kagalingang Panlipunan at Pagpapaunlad kung kanilang ginawa yon bago magsagawa ng psychological intervention?
Thank you. Quickly, please answer. So that babalik tayo dito sa presentation nila.
Yes, indeed, Mr. Chair, there are key summary reports prepared by the social worker before they conduct the psychosocial intervention. We confirm
So
that.
you answer in the affirmative.
Yes,
correct.
Mr. Chair, correct.
Okay, thank you. Please continue.
Thank you, sir. Next slide, please. Now, here's the cathedral. Ayaw kami papasukin dito before. Eventually, sa kakulitan namin and saka gagamit ng diplomasiya, we found this door. Going to the lounge of Apollo Kibuloy. And again, he has a bedroom in the cathedral. Wala naman kami sinasabing kung ano man, but he has a bedroom in the cathedral.
Yes, napasok ko yan
Next slide.
kanina.
Next slide, please. So, dito sir, obserbahan niyo yung aso. Aside from the technical equipment, ito ho ang aso nang pumasok dyan. Tingnan niyo yung aso sa lower right. Scratching the floor, indicating that there's life beneath. Rescue dog yan, sir. Naghahanap yan ng mga taong trapped under the rubbles. Di naman, sir. Unless na indicator yun, sir, ng positive. Na may naaamoy siya sa ilalim ng carpet. Ito sa baba naman, sir, makikita nyo, magtatatahol naman yung aso na yan, sir. Unless na naturuan ng aso.
O bakit wala kayo nakita?
Hindi pa namin, sir, nabubutas yan, sir.
Ha?
Hindi pa namin nabubutas
Bakit
yan.
hindi nyo binutas?
Bubutasin natin, sir.
Ha?
Later on, sir. This, sir.
Oh,
Hindi namin.
You're prolonging the agony. Nakita ko na yung nagkakuha na yung aso, signaling positive presence ng life to sa ilalim. Hindi na nyo kaagad naksyonan.
Hindi pa kami, sir, nakakapapas. Yan, sir, kasi cathedral yan, sir. Take into consideration the sensibilities of KOJC. Hindi namin, sir, gagawin yung butas yan, sir, na kasinlaki nung ginawa namin sa basement. Because if they will allow us, we'll enter a drilling
If you
machine.
really want to arrest Pastor Kibuloy,
Yes, sir. We'll use...
13 days na eh. Bakit hindi nyo ginawa yan?
Makita naman natin, sir, yung resistance on the first 1 week na talaga, sir, na we cannot bring in the equipment that we need. They really want, they stop us, yung sinasabi nila, sir, na x-ray. Kita mo, sir, pati ang pickaxe. Hindi namin maipasok ng basta-basta. That's why I really, after those their allegations,
Alam mo, Nick, everything will be settled. Yung paghaharang nila, hindi nila naharang sa inyo kung meron kayong search warrant. Gawin ninyo ang search warrant para...
sir, we cannot apply for a search warrant. Considering that search warrant is used for contraband, things, and illegal items, we are not alleging that, sir. What we are looking for is a person. No judge will issue us a search warrant because we do not allege that there's drugs there. We do not allege that there are illegal items there, sir. The search warrant will only cover things because it will say that you are commanded to bring to me this caliber 45, which is illegal in the possession of Mr. Salvador. Yun, sir. We cannot make lies.
I agree.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right.
So, ayan, sir, ang mga indicators na hindi namin pwedeng i-ignore. So, again, that's what I said before. We'll drill holes in there, sir, with the approval of the with or without the approval of the GMC, but we want to leave a very small footprint. We want to bring in a borehole drilling machine, which will only make a 4-inch or 6-inch hole where we can put down our telescopic cameras to ensure to inspect what is beneath, maybe 10 meters below the ground. Eh, sir, kahol ng kahol. So, hindi naman pwede namin paulit-ulitin yan, sir, because the dog will, may mga restrictions din ang pagpaulit-ulit sa aso at masisira rin ang kanyang, masisira ang kanyang training pag paulit-ulit na lang na wala kaming ginagawa. Next slide, please. So, general observation. These are our general observations, sir. The most common refrain of QOJC in preventing or delaying searches is orders ng mga babae yan. And we have heard it a while ago from one of our resource persons na puro daw mga quarters ng mga babae. And true enough. Next. And true enough, we find bedrooms of women surrounding the bedroom of Apollo Kibuloy. Next slide, please. In these three areas that we searched, we observed that Kibuloy's room is the only man's room in these areas. I would like to ask the OGC to tour you on those facilities in the ACQ College of Ministry, in the cathedral, in the first floor of the JMC building, in the dormitory of the pastorals, if there are other men living in that area. And show to you, to August senators and reporters, if there are really other men living in that area aside from Kibuloy, in the midst of women.
What are you trying to imply?
I'm trying to imply, sir, that the warrant, especially this warrant in branch 106, for violation of Section 5B of RA 7610, that reads, the charges, the warrant is subsisting on August 8, issued on August 8, and signed by Judge Noel Parel. Pasensya na kayo, sir. Affected ako, sir, sa mga ganitong klaseng warrant, sir. The charges is, the warrant was issued for violation of Section 5B of RA 7610 that reads, those who commit an act of sexual intercourse or lascivious conduct with a child exploited in prostitution or subject to other sexual abuse. The law, sir. Next slide, please. And all the rooms of Apollo Kibuloy are not offices. All these rooms are bedrooms, including in the cathedral. Next slide, please. His room in the ACQ College of Ministry is the most lavish so far. Next slide. With a jacuzzi to boot. And that is surrounded by rooms of women. Adjacent to it is a room for a woman we have not yet identified. Next slide.
Well, as if
Assessment.
you're trying to impute malice. You're trying to impute malice because, you know, yung bathtub na yan, regardless kung gaano kamahal yan, kaya nga niya bumili ng aeroplano eh. Kaya nga niya bumili ng helicopter eh. So,
That the rooms that we are searching is really the room of Apollo Kibuloy based on all the indicators. Kaya lang, sir, tagus-tagusan ng mga kwarto, tagus-tagusan ng mga pinto. Kailangan namin, sir, i-search on our own terms, but not on the terms of...
you agree with me that all you are saying are all theories.
Yes, sir, of course.
Kasi, have you seen Pastor Apollo Kibuloy making sex with the children in that bathtub?
We are not saying...
Wala naman, di ba?
We are not saying, sir, it's in the warrant.
Because you are trying to impute malice in your statements.
No, sir. I'm not imputing malice. I'm just reading what
Hindi
is
naman.
in the...
I was not born yesterday. The way you deliver your statement is trying to impute malice.
What I'm saying, sir, is that the evidence that we see is supporting the warrant of arrest for sex with a child, sir.
Okay, you're free to make your own assessment. But I am also free to, as the chairman of this committee,
Yes, sir, of course.
that's what I observe from you. You're trying to impute malice on the subject without with the absence of actual sex happening in that bathtub. Huh?
I think the actual sex happening, sir, was already discussed and already studied with the judge. That's why he asked for, he issued the warrant.
Diyan nangyayari?
No, sir.
Okay. Oh.
We're not implying
Hindi
that
nangyayari
it's
dyan.
from the bathtub, sir. What I'm saying, sir,
I'm not lawyering for Pastor Kibuloy, yeah? I am just trying to, you know, based on what you are saying, I'm just trying to...
what I'm saying, sir, is that, please. Previous slides, please. Previous slide. Ito sir ang observations na naman.
Okay, observations. You're free to make your own observations.
The most common refrain is the use of women.
Okay.
Which nakita namin sir, 99% of people tailing us. Kita mo sir yung sa kanina yung diwata. Si Mr. Darwin Salcedo lang ang halos ang lalaki. Babae lahat na sa paligid niya. Di ba sir? Iyan ang mga warriors nila sir eh. True enough, we
Point
find...
of order, Your Honor. Point of order.
Yes, well,
It seems
What's your
that
point
the
of order?
presentation of the General, Your Honor, is being used really not to present facts of what happened, but to present his view of Pastor Apollo Sikibuloy in order to malign him, in
correct.
order to make him look bad to the people without even presenting a single evidence. And possible reason why is it that the location of the rooms are like that, simply because of the fact that there are many members of the KOJC, and to impute malice into his supposed presentation, Your Honor, which is actually a confirmation that he is turning an arrest warrant into a general warrant, which is prohibited in the Constitution, Your Honor, because he is conducting only search based only on an arrest warrant. And we were even tracked on September 12, 2024, where his police women went there, Your Honor. It was already day 9. The patience of the people there was already running thin. And they were there, Your Honor, many times already. And on day 9, suddenly they had this all women this time. And of course, since his women was only carrying an arrest warrant, they tried to assert their right that maybe what you are doing is no longer right.
Okay, I would like to remind General Torre to cease and desist from giving your observation na hindi walang factual basis. Okay? So please continue.
Again, sir, this is supported by the videos. Kanina pa sir yung sinasabi na quarters ng mga babae yan. Paulit-ulit yan, sir.
Kaya nga,
Sige, sir.
noted na yan ng committee. Yung room ni Pastor Kibuloy, surrounded by rooms of women.
Next slide, please.
So,
Yes, sir.
that's a fact.
Thank you, sir.
Please do not go beyond that fact.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Assessment.
Your Honor, if I may point of order, how did he know that those are rooms of women in the first place?
Sir.
Okay, can you...
And that prior to the time when Pastor Apollo Sikibuloy can no longer be found since March, how did he know that those were occupied by in fact women? Why? Was he staying there?
Oh, you want to answer? Yeah, right.
Just manifestation of impartiality and fairness, Mr. Chair and Your Honors. And I just would like to ask if a resource person would raise a point of order, Your Honor. Thank you.
You are raising a good point. I think as far as the rules of this committee is concerned, only members of the committee can raise a point of order. So I take back my consideration of this point of order. Okay? Fair enough. Okay, thank you. Please continue.
Thank you very much, sir. So, let me just go to my assessment. Patatapos na tayo, sir. We are still very far in completing the search for Apollo Kibuloy and KOJC. The operation is hindered and controlled by the KOJC, who uses its followers to intervene, interfere, harass, cause delays, and in general disrupt the search. We believe that this allows Kibuloy and others to relocate and hide, change their location, as the search, even just in a single building, is being conducted, notwithstanding changing his location. Sa ngayon, sir, ang SMNI studio, hindi pa nga namin, sir, nasa-search. Hindi pa namin nasa-search, sir, sa loob yan. At to this, the numerous CCTVs all over the place na hindi namin, sir, din sa evil. And the radios and cell phones of KOJC members tailing the searchers around. Thus, it cannot be helped But to conclude that up to this point, what we had done so far is play hide and seek with Kibuloy in his 30-hectare property and with his
Colonel,
followers.
Well,
Yes, sir.
when you say that, actually sir, yung, ano yung sinabi mo kanina? Hindi pa namin yan na-search.
Yes, sir.
So do you intend to search that area?
Yes, sir.
Kasi ganito, the basis for you to serve a warrant of arrest on a particular area is based on your reasonableness na andyan siya. Ngayon, you mean to say na sabi mo na naman na ando na naman siya sa yung area na hindi mo pa na-search?
The area, sir, is the area that we reasonably believe that where he is the KOJC compound.
Mr. Chair,
Wow, napakalaking area yun.
Mr. Chair,
Ah,
just a short
okay.
question. I represent here Sunshine Media Network International, which the good resource person made mention, Mr. Chair, that they have not searched our studio within the compound. That's a lie. Because
Why?
yesterday, all of them went inside, up and down, side to side, and they even attempted to bring a light detection machine for them with personnel in uniform without nameplates. So, I'd like Mr. Chair to let you know, the committee, that what the good gentleman is saying is not true because they were there inside, even up to the roof deck where the air conditioning facility and the makeup room are located. So hindi po tama, no? Na sabihin na hindi nila na-search o na-inspection yung studio namin ng SMNI.
Did they allow
Is
the
that
light
correct?
detector?
Is
Did
that
they
correct?
allow the light detector? Did you allow the light
You
detector?
address your question to me. General,
Sir,
sorry.
what I mean, sir, is the kind of search that we want to do. They allowed us take a look around. How do we know that he is not hiding in these crevices and other places that we want to inspect? That's why we went with the light detector. Did they allow the light detector to be used?
If I may, Your Honor. Actually, if I may, Your Honor.
Yeah, wait.
On August 24, Your Honor, in the morning, when I was prevented in going to the hangar, I walked, Your Honor. It's very hot. And I went up. It's a long walk. I decided to go to accompany the search in the SMNI area, studio. And it was there where about 18 policemen, Your Honor. No, that's around 14 policemen who went inside the SMNI studio, Your Honor, and they searched all the nooks and crannies during the first day, alone, Your Honor. And as a matter of fact, I got a bit dizzy after that, Your Honor, and I had to take a rest in the Waxis. That's only on the first day, Your Honor. At around 9:24 in the morning, I went to the Waxis because I got dizzy anymore. I would not know where I would accompany the rest of the teams who were searching everywhere, Your Honor, everywhere. It was really a melee. You could not believe how they conducted the search, Your Honor. It was untrammeled. And it was as if they had a general warrant, which is proscribed under the 1987 Constitution.
Mr.
Thank you.
Chair, if I may add,
Yes.
I was also there when they searched the studio last September 4, around 4:55 to 5:32 p.m. So just to belie what General Torres. And even yesterday,
Thank
there
you.
were also attempts.
Maybe his concept of searching, Your Honor, is again to dig a tunnel in the SMNI so that he could look at the soil and the rocks that would be found therein if Pastor Apollo Kibuloy is there. Maybe that is his concept of search, Your Honor.
I presume that's the search that he wants to do. Am I correct?
If the light detector will indicate, sir, why not?
So, wala kayong katapusan nito. Please continue.
Next slide. So this is our recommendation, sir. If we really want this to end, we want to clear all of Kibuloy supporters from the compound to allow full access and thorough search of the fugitive. From the start until yesterday, they're just obstructing justice. Please click. Hanggang kahapon, sir, yan ba ang outnumbered? Yan ba ang sinasabi nila excessive force? Mas marami pa sila, sir, at yan, basura na lang yan, sir, ilalabas namin. Inaagaw pa sa amin, at tinitingnan yan, sir, na kung sino-sino mga alipores ni Kibuloy. The videos will not lie, that's why they just present pictures.
Actually, you messed up. Actually, I am preparing this kind of video na gusto kong i-present ngayon just to show to the members of the KOJC that I am a little bit dismayed. Bakit nangyari yan? Ako'y naawa sa pulis. Ako, sa totoo lang ha, ako'y nasaktan sa pulis na magtatapon lang ng basura at tila kinuyog pa.
Your Honor.
I know yung reason. Gusto ninyo na malaman kung anong laman sa loob, pero ang pulis naman na patrolman na inutusan na magtapon ng basura refused to engage with you in a conversation dahil nga ayaw lang ng partner na mag-escalate ang tension. Ako lang, I'm just expressing my dismay. Bakit yung patrolman na magtatapon lang ng basura sa labas, umabot pa kayo sa ganyang sitwasyon, nagkagulo na ng gusto. Alam ko yung rason ninyo. Gusto ninyong transparent lahat. Okay lang yun. Pero yung nakita ko lang yung pulis ba na hinihila dito sa yung cooler, hinihila dito sa... Nakita ko kasi yung maraming anggulo yung video niya dahil maraming kumukuha. May nakita ako na anggulo na talagang hinihila yung pulis dito sa leeg, sa cooler, hinihila dito sa braso. Well, in fact, ang dala-dala lang naman niya is basura para itapon sa labas. So yun lang. Actually, I am preparing that video. Gusto ko ipakita sa inyo.
Yes. Your Honor.
Ipakita ko lang sa inyo na yun, I feel dismayed by that incident. Just to be honest with you. Sige,
I was there kasi, Your Honor, sa Emerald Gate. The video you saw po is marami na po nakalampas. Pinalampas namin kasi akala namin basura. Nakalampas din. Na-found out po namin basura sa ilalim po. Yun po yung mga hukay-hukay po nila. Yun po yun. Kaya gusto lang may stop ma-check po. Secondly po, sa basement po kasi, I want to disabuse the mind of General Torre po na parang nagre-resist kami. Wala daw sila magawa po may search. Mali po yun, isa lie. Pag once i-cordon po nila lugar, wala po kami magawa. Like the basement po.
Correct.
Yes po, wala kami magawa.
We have complete control
Yes,
of the whole
Kaya nga po,
compound.
mali po yung sinasabi po niya.
Dahil gusto nila na aside from the visual search na ginagawa nila, gusto pa nila ng how do you call that search na gagamit pa sila ng mga technological search to determine heartbeat and life beneath the ground. Yan ang gusto lang gagawin, which is I think as far as serving a warrant of arrest is napakalayo na yan. Napakalayo na. But anyway, they insist. Continue, General Torre.
Thank you, sir. That's why we recommend that only their lawyers will be allowed to join the searches. For us to end this once and for all, because, Mr. Chair, I would like to ask the KOJC.
I think the question is the question that keeps on coming back is that binabaligtad na ba natin yung search muna bago arrest or arrest muna bago magkakaroon ng lawful search? Parang binabaligtad na natin yung procedure.
Sir, we are implementing a warrant of arrest, sir. There is a command from the judge.
Yung warrant of arrest. Kung na-aresto niyo yung tao, you can conduct a lawful search. Hindi ba nga dapat sa vicinity, kundi on his person,
We are
yung
not,
search.
the search incidental to allow for arrest, sir, is a search for weapons and for the safety of the arresting officer. But right now, sir, we are not searching for any weapons. We are searching for the person to be arrested because we have reasonable ground to believe that he is in the KOJC compound. As to
And
where,
what is that reasonable ground to believe?
we have informants, we have surveillance, and may I, sir, that I will reveal to the Senate committee on an executive session, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Continue.
So basically, sir, that's the last slide of my presentation, and we will leave you with our commitment. Next slide. We will not stop until we arrest the fugitives because this is our duty. And most importantly, we cannot and will not abandon the once voiceless victims of Apollo Kibuloy. Thank you, sir. And may God bless us all.
Thank you.
Mr.